Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to GS Residency at Sana Enclave. Sana Enclave, basically, you could see the gate, the main gate of the entrance of the Sana Enclave. So these are the plots in Sana Enclave, and it's a gated community which is right next to Jubilee Hills, and the other side of the gate opens to the Paramount. Let's go and have a look at GS Residency. Again, yet another project by Esas Constructions. Please follow me. It's G+5 plus penthouse, and let's see what we have in the store. There's one flat left, rest all is sold out, and let's get inside the project. Bismillah. We have got entire parking at the ground floor, and this area is entirely dedicated to the parking. You could see the open area. It's pretty much ventilated, and it's a common car park again. And let's get on to the project. Beautifully done staircase, pretty much creativity from our painting contractor, Mr. Shadab. Thank you very much for doing such a beautiful job, pretty much creative job at the stairs. People will love it. It's little lively, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? We are getting on to the 4th floor, and the available unit is at the 4th floor. And wow, it's beautifully done, the common area. It's really elegant. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the 4th floor, and this is the staircase which takes you up, and the common area. Each floor has got two units, and this staircase takes you to the next level. The flat comes with double entrance. It's all done, probably just the one coat color it's pending. Let's get on to the project. This is the main entrance, probably the hall entrance, and pretty much spacious and pretty much well ventilated hall. It's all plaster of Paris. To enter into the hall, this is the first bedroom. Probably it's 12 by 13 kind of a bedroom. Again, a plaster of Paris. It's a master bedroom, of course, indeed. And this is the built-in wardrobe, window, outdoor views, lot of apartments around basically. And this is the attached bath. It's a one-piece commode, and creative tiles and anti-slippery tiles at the floor, and overhead storage. Again, coming out of this room, you land up in the hall, and in the hall, very well done. It's the hand wash area, created with finished with wall tiles, so that it's pretty much easy to maintain. The second bedroom, we have seen the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. It looks like 10 by 12 kind of a bedroom. There's no overhead storage. Probably this could be the kids' room. And coming out of this room, you land up again in a hall, and then you have a balcony. You have a balcony, and it's the wash area as well for your washing machine. And you have a common bath completely out. Once you come out of this balcony, which is also a wash area, 2-in-1 purpose, you enter into a kitchen. Very well placed kitchen in the entire unit. It's the kitchen slab finished with granite top and RCC slab, and you have tiles. So kitchen again. From the kitchen you come out to this hall, and this would be a drawing room or the guest bedroom, whatever you call it. So this is the third room. So 1, 2, 3, this is the third one, and we come out of the unit. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please let me know what do you think about this property. And its age is brand new. It's just constructed, people have just got started moving in, and if you have any queries or any questions, please let us know. So that is the place we have entered. This is the first bedroom. Right next to it is a hand wash area, the second bedroom, and this is the balcony and the wash area, the kitchen completely private, and then you have a drawing room. This is the hall. So I hope you like this. Please do subscribe us on YouTube, which is Landmark Homes Hyderabad, lmh.hyd. Please do subscribe us. Do like us on Facebook. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a nice, fantastic, wonderful and fantabulous day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.